Hello and great to be with you. In this video, I'm going to briefly explain what are flexible resistance bars and what they're good for. Now, first off, they're really good for rehabilitation. Physios use them a lot, and these bars are commonly used to rehabilitate conditions like tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, tendinitis, and they work by strengthening the affected muscles and tendons through targeted exercises. Now, second off, it's a great strength and conditioning tool. These bars allow a controlled and effective way to strengthen your muscles, improving your flexibility and enhancing your joint stability. Another great thing about these bars is they target muscle engagement. These bars enable users to focus on specific muscle groups, such as the forearms, wrists and hands, through various bending, twisting motions. Now, another great thing about these resistance bars is they allow for gradual progression. They offer different resistances, different levels, allowing individuals to gradually increase the intensity of their workout as they improve. You might start on an easy one like this, and before long, you've moved up to something that's a lot tougher. Now, I use these with lots of clients to help improve their grip strength, the strength of their hands, wrists, and forearms. So why is grip strength so important, especially as we age? Okay, so I wrote some notes, so just bear with me because I'll be reading a few of them from my phone. Grip strength is important because it's a powerful indicator of overall health, muscle strength, and longevity. And it significantly improves your ability to perform daily tasks and can help prevent serious health issues. A strong grip is associated with better muscle mass, bone mineral density, and cognitive function. And it also serves as an important biomarker. By that, I mean a weak grip is linked to high levels of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even premature death. So the bottom line is having a strong grip, apart from all those things, will help you to continue to perform the daily tasks. These days, everyone's got a phone and they're just swiping with their fingers, and we don't use our hands as much as we should do. Now, where can you buy these bars from? I went on to Amazon UK, and if you type on Amazon flexible resistance bars, lots of options will come up. There's some well-known brands that are expensive, but I bought this pack, and it's a bit of a generic company by Fit Beast. Yeah, that's the brand name, and I paid £20 for 4 of these. You've got the easy one, which 99% of all people can do, and then move up through different strengths, ending up on this red one, which is quite challenging. I'm not saying that you should buy these, and I'm not affiliated with anyone, I'm not making money from this, but I'm just trying to say a lot of people have asked me, where do you get these from? So go to Amazon, type flexible resistance bars, and look for this brand. It says Fit Beast. Obviously in Chinese, they thought that was a really good name for the brand. Anyway, Fit Beast. And I've been using them for nearly 8 months now, and I'm really happy with them. They're really good quality. I've had no problems. There's all sorts of exercises, as I said, that can help with things like tendinitis and tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, etc. That's more kind of physio stuff. But I'm going to show you 2 simple exercises that will help to strengthen your hands, your wrists, and your forearms, your grip in general. The first of these exercises, you take a grip like this, an overhand grip. You get all your fingers on there and your thumbs. And you're going to squeeze your hands onto the bar. Make sure all your fingers are on there. Make sure the little pinky's on up. Make sure your forefinger, is that the name of it? The first finger is on there. Make sure your thumbs are on it. And also, we're going to sit up nice and straight. We're not going to tense the neck. We're going to keep the shoulders relaxed, and we're going to keep the elbows down. All right? So what we're going to do is we're going to bend the bar from flat into like an unhappy face shape like that. So we breathe in, and as we breathe out, we squeeze our hands, all our fingers and thumbs, and we bring it to a shape like that. If you want, you could touch the bars together to make it a little bit more challenging, and then we breathe in and we slowly return. We breathe in, we breathe out. We breathe in, we breathe out. We're not twisting our wrists, we're not straining our elbows, we're not straining our shoulders, we're not tensing our necks. And very subtly, some of your deep core muscles are firing up, hopefully, just before you do that to stabilize the movement. Okay, so this is bedding our hands down. This is a pronated grip. Squeeze and hold. You can either do reps like this, or you may want to put a timer on and hold the bar like this and just see how long you can hold it for. Maybe start with 20 seconds and build up to a minute. When you can do a minute, maybe you want to move up to a bar, which is more challenging. The second exercise is, what's it called? Is a supinated grip. I think that's the official term for it. You don't need to know it, but we mean going from flat, turning our hands up. So we're going from a flat into kind of a smile or a rainbow shape. Again, you can touch the bars together, great. Breathing in, as we breathe out, we squeeze our hands, we bring it together, we breathe in and we return. Simple as that. Squeeze, breathe out, breathe in. Squeeze our hands, first bend, breathe in and return. Can you see that? Hopefully that's in focus. Squeeze and return. And again, you could do reps like that, or you may choose to put a timer on and then hold it in that position, maybe touching together, and see how long, grip and see how long you can hold it for. Again, maybe start with 20 seconds and build up to a minute. You'll be really surprised, even if you start on a simple one like this, and if you do this a couple of times a week, 2 to 3 times a week maximum. If you do it today, you will rest tomorrow, because remember, you're working the muscles, and the next 48 to 72 hours after doing the workout is when your muscles will repair and hopefully grow stronger. So these are one of the best strength and conditioning tools I've ever found. I don't know why I've only come across them in the last year, and I bought them solely because I train some clients now who are got quite weak grip, and this really helps them to strengthen their grip so they can do simple things like dress themselves, eat, etc. But whether you're an athlete or you're someone who's very elderly, these are good for everyone. I think this is a great piece of equipment. If you got something from this video and you think someone else would benefit from watching it, please share this video with them. Please like it and think about subscribing so you receive future videos just like this. And now you know how to do these 2 simple exercises, why not give it a go, this workout here. It's only 10 minutes long, 10 minutes to become stronger. Go on, give it a press now. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.